Well, what do you know? I didn't make a mistake. I was checking it against this, and if any of you remember in the video earlier, I was sizing it for the pipe. So, hey, what do you know? It actually worked out the way it was supposed to. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, time to get this this thing connected. Sorry about the noise. It's raining. I may end up doing a time lapse on this anyway. But what I got to do first, I got to go through my screws and find some that'll work. I just need real short ones. I've got thin sheet metal and thin plastic. Let's go with that one. Then we want to get with the drill bit so that it the hole is smaller than the thread, so it'll bite. And then we'll also drill a bigger hole here so that the threads don't screw into this, so it'll pull it down. But we'll do that second because we have to drill the holes in here first, and then use them as a guide to get the holes in the plastic. Switch it out to the larger drill bit. That's yeah, that looks about right. Actually, let's see. Actually, I think that's too big. So let's give it a shot, see what happens. Next smaller one, got some missing drill bits because like I said before, the small ones are broken. Just drilled the wrong thing. Okay, get in a hurry, and there. I'm gonna have to use a different screw and live with the fact that I'm gonna have different size screws there. I guess I can live with that. I mean, it's not, especially since this is all going to be covered with tape anyway. And I probably should have marked which one was which, because I don't think these are all in the same spot or equidistant around. Nope, they're not. Oh, I accidentally got the right one first. Well, let's see. There we go. Thought I'd gathered up all the tools I needed, but I guess I hadn't. Get those started. Now, let's see, we got something here, short and fat. That's probably too small, or too, yeah. Maybe not. Let's see. That works. Not too bad. Sticks in there a little bit farther, but what the heck. All right, now this is not as tight as I would have liked, but hey, throwing something together, it's not too bad. I'm going to try to seal it up with this. This is, I saw this on like a wilderness survival website or prepper type stuff, and it's call it super tape, and this is the Harbor Freight version. Apparently, it's a stretchy tape that's supposed to help seal stuff up. Of course, this is Harbor Freight, so I don't know if it was any good in the first place. And it's also been sitting out here. This is the first time I've opened it. It's been sitting out in my barn for several years. But hey, so it could only have gone downhill from there. Let's see how it goes. Seems to be okay. It says it stretches to seal. And then hopefully grips on itself. Let's see here. See how it does. Oop. It's peeling back. I wonder if I should. It's not sticky. Actually, I think it may stay on because of the stretchiness. Let's go ahead and stretch it more, so then it will actually. Maybe that will help increase the grip. I hope it will. I'm going to double it so that hopefully it sticks to itself. Actually, I'm going to see that. That's good enough. No, it is not sticking. Non-sticky bonds to itself. Well, let's just see. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and see how that goes. Hopefully that stretchy and compression makes it seal to itself. Not sure how long that takes. There's no instructions. We'll see what happens.